Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, September 18th, and it's time for GiFTgive's Wednesday morning product talk. Hey everybody, I'm Jovi, and I'm here at GiFTgive Labs in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm here to talk to you today about the features that we released last week. Actually, it's one really big feature and one small feature, so I hope you guys like it. I know your donors are going to love it, and it's really going to help donors increase their donations, make it a lot easier for them to do what they're doing. But let's not talk about it. Let's get right into it. First, I always like to start at our knowledge base, and let me show you that real quick. And at our knowledge base, you can see everything about all of our releases. If you go to help.gift-give.com and go to the releases section, you'll see a list of everything, including information about today's release. Now, today's release is really two features in it. The first really big feature, and the one that we're really excited about today, is we've added shopping cart functionality to our application. Now, we call it a giving basket, but essentially what it is it allows donors to very quickly add multiple items to their giving basket and then do one checkout. Before, when a donor donated to your nonprofit, they would select one item and check out, select another item and check out, select a third item and check out, and it gets a little tedious. The donors really want to go through, pick a bunch of things, see what they've donated to. They can adjust their donation, they can delete if they change their mind on something, and then they do one checkout. And it really saves a lot of time and enables donors to very quickly go through and pick a bunch of things to donate to you guys. So let's get to it. Let's show you what it's all about. So let's take a look here at our browse page, and you'll see I'm looking at featured needs here. And it looks very similar to what it looked like before, except you see this area at the top, the giving basket area. And when I donate, things will come up and it'll tell me what I'm donating to. Nothing's been donated yet. Here's to complete the goal. I'm going to go ahead and only do $10 of that one. And I have the option to go ahead and add and check out for folks that just want to do one, or I can add and continue giving. So I'm going to add and continue giving. You see up here, the giving basket has an item in it. Let's click on it and see, and there's the item I just selected in the amount. I can go to the basket from there, or I can continue giving. So let's continue giving. I'm going to do these earrings. This is our test site, so don't be stressed out that nonprofits are getting Cincinnati Bengals earrings. They're not. We try and have some fun with the test data that we have. But I'm going to complete this goal. There we go. Complete that goal. You see here that came up, and I'm going to do one more, and there you go. And we're having an issue there. Well, of course, it's in our QA site, and we're having an issue. Go figure. Let's go into one of these guys, and we'll see what we can do here. Let me add to the donate. Add and continue giving. And you can see here, there you go, there it adds the second one. So just a little bit of a tweak I have to make in there. This product is actually going to be released later this afternoon, so I have one or two small things left to do there, so excuse the little hiccup on the ad on the browse page. But you'll see here, we added it, and the Bengals earrings were there, and then the almonds that I just added were there. So as you can see, we can go through, and this one we've closed the need out there, so that's good. And we're going to go to the basket. And there we go. When we look at the basket, it looks like a lot of other shopping sites, very easy for the user to see. And right here, we want to go, we see that there's the earrings, there's that, there's what we've donated, there's our total. If we want to delete, we can delete items off of here, and it'll delete it right away, just like that. And then I can go back, and let me go back and re-add it. There you go. And there we go. We'll go ahead and view basket and check out. And there we go, it's back again. So this tells me how much is there. Do I want to proceed to check out? Now, if you're already signed in, or if you're already signed up as a donor, you can sign in and make this process much quicker. But right now, a lot of folks aren't signed in, and a lot of folks want to donate anonymously. So you can do either, which is great here. proceed to checkout, and this should look very similar to you guys. It's really the same information that you entered before: your payment information, your card number, your expiration date, of course address and email address, and then you complete your donation. And at that point, what we do is, if you've donated several items and those items are to multiple nonprofits, we'll send you one receipt per nonprofit, because those will be your tax receipts from those nonprofits in most cases. And then, you know, if the goal has been met and everything else stays the same from there. Your donors will get their receipts. They'll get messages when the goal has been met on the needs, messages when the needs are shipped, just the same as we've done before. But it's kind of turbocharged if you think about it. Donors can now just add as many items as they want to their giving basket and go from there. So we really feel like this is going to be some exciting things, some exciting stuff for donors. We've heard, and on our receipt page, we give the donors the ability to take a very quick one-question survey, and the ones that have taken that survey, half of them have come back and said, hey, we want to donate to multiple things here. And so we listen, and we think this is going to be an exciting thing for them. So anyway, that's the shopping cart. We call it the giving basket feature set, and I'm real excited to get this out later this afternoon. The next thing that we did was we did one small tweak to really speed up the creation of needs. Now, some folks just want to create a lot of quick needs. They don't want to write up a lot about what they're doing. They just want to put maybe they select it from Amazon when they add it. They want to tweak the name, write up a small 2-sentence attention getter, and then publish it. And because a lot of needs, they don't need a really long, drawn-out story. So what we did is we went ahead and made that story, that description, we made it optional. You don't have to enter it now. And you'll see here, this item itself has an image, and this step is finished. Before, you would have had to add the story too. And you know, we want to speed this up. A lot of folks, you know, they don't want to stumble through what that story is. So we're always hearing what you guys are saying. We're always trying to come back and make our platform better, faster, easier. We really feel like this is going to be way. If you want to tell a long story about the need, maybe you need a van and you want to tell the story about why you need the van or why it's important. We've seen some really good stories at the need level, but it's just not a required thing. You know, we don't want to have you fumble through something when it's not necessary. So anyway, that's that. So wow, it's been 2 weeks since our release, and we're moving to a 2-week release process, so we can get you bigger things and bigger features in that 2-week period. So you'll hear back from me at the end of September, but we're putting some good stuff out. We're really trying to do the best things we can to help you guys get more donors and get more donations. You know, that's what we're all about. We also got some exciting things coming as far as some flexibility in how you create, how you set up a need, and some flexibility as far as what other types of needs you can create. We want to give you a little bit, make it easy, but make it just a tad bit more flexible. So, so anyway, that's it. That's today's Wednesday morning product talks, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Okay, happy gifting.